So, who all should read the Bhagavad Gita? See, if you're planning to read the Gita and you don't know the context, you are just falling into the hype, then this video is for you. If you have lost your motivation, if you lost your spirit, you don't know what's the right path for you, you're confused, you're anxious, half of the time you don't know what you're doing, and you don't know what's your purpose, that's when you have to read the Bhagavad Gita. See, let me give you the context. Bhagavad Gita की शुरुआत होती है when Arjun, who is the prince, the warrior prince, उसको एक एंजाइटी अटैक आता है. रीजन ये है दैट ही इज ऑन अ बैटल फील्ड जिसके सामने इवन दो ही इज द बेस्ट वॉरियर देयर, उसके सामने ही हैज टू फाइट हिज रिलेटिव्स, हिज ग्रैंडफादर, हिज कजन्स, हिज spiritual teachers, his friends. So that's when he gets an anxiety attack and asks Krishna that why am I doing this? Why am I engaging in so much violence? इससे तो मुझे पाप लगेगा. My soul will go to hell after this. This is not right. This is not the path to righteousness. Just because मुझे राजा बनना है किसी kingdom का and I want to enjoy all the materialistic pleasures which come from a wealthy kingdom, मैं अपने relatives को क्यों मारूं? इससे better तो ये है ना कि मैं किसी पहाड़ में जाके तपस्या कर लूं and that will enlighten my soul. That is what Arjun asked Krishna. That's when Krishna started guiding him. That is the Gita for you. Lord Krishna explained him his purpose, his sense of purpose, what is right and what is wrong. That is the Bhagavad Gita summarized. So, see, in Hinduism, we do have the right to question God. Here, the conversation is between Krishna being God and Arjun being a disciple, being a friend, being a devotee. He is questioning God continuously. So, to give you the total context, the Bhagavad Gita happens on a warfield of the Mahabharata in Kurukshetra, where Arjun, who is in agony, a lot of anxiety, he's confused, he doesn't know what to do, he doesn't know his purpose. That's when he becomes a disciple of Krishna, who is actually his friend, and asks him for guidance. Krishna, being the incarnation of God, helps him with true knowledge, explaining him the path to righteousness, explaining him his sense of purpose, explaining him what is right and wrong. That is the Bhagavad Gita. So, if you are looking to enlighten yourself, if you are confused, if you don't know what to do at this stage of life, that's when you have to read the Gita. Read it as you are Arjun and you are asking for guidance from God Himself.